Do you dream of becoming a doctor or an ecologist? How about investigating climate change or infectious diseases? The College of Liberal Arts and Sciences is the hub for biology education and research at the University of Illinois.
Out of all of the schools that I applied to, I knew that I was going to go into biology, but Illinois offered the strongest biology program with the most opportunities. So Illinois is an R1 institution, and I knew that I wanted to get involved in research. That is one of the reasons that I decided to come here. Illinois, I knew, offered a bunch of different MCB-focused RSOs, a bunch of different classes that I was interested in taking, and I was very aware of the prestige of the university and the wisdom of the professors, and I really wanted to be a part of that.
So the two organizations that I'm involved with heavily are the Illini Medical Screening Society and Global Medical Training. Being able to participate on two global medical training mission trips has been the most memorable experiences I have at this university. Being able to provide service directly to the underserved in different countries in Latin America has been a great opportunity. It's been honestly life-changing and kind of changed the trajectory that I want to take my career in medicine in the future.
I think within MCB, one of my most memorable experiences has been joining a research lab. I truly feel like I've learned so much just with experimental techniques, but also about biology as a whole and about a career in academia. And so I would highly recommend research to anybody who's interested, but I know for me that it has been an incredible experience.
I've been at the Bell Lab for around 2 years, but it'll make 3 years next year once I graduate. Recently, I went to Alaska to study three-spine stickleback in their natural habitat. There, I learned so many cool things that you really can't see in the lab.
I feel like a lot of people think that you have to wear like a white coat and goggles, but you're able to like go out into the world and see like the diversity that thrives in it. So I was able to study abroad in Panama. I was able to hike along the side of a volcano, go out into the tropical rainforest, see monkeys, and learn how to professionally birdwatch. I would say biology has helped me become like a self-starter, and I feel like that's what a lot of people are looking for.
So something that I would say to an incoming freshman who is choosing between Illinois and another institution is to really consider where you think that you would be the happiest. I knew for myself that I would be happy somewhere where I felt challenged, but I also felt supported and I also felt welcome. And for you freshmen that are coming in, just really think about what you want out of your college experience and think about the schools that you're going to, or that you might be going to, and what they have to offer you.
No matter what your dream, Illinois is your home to make it happen. Join us in building the foundation to create a better tomorrow and develop relationships that last a lifetime.